In this video, we show you how to mount the BOS Engine Protection Bars Pro on the BMW R 1300 GS and GS Adventure. Of course, we start by unpacking the parts. In the box, you will find several parts that you need to mount the protection bars. For the installation, we use these 3 mounting points. At each mounting point, make sure to place the spacer and washer between the crash bar and the mounting point. Secure all 3 mounting points. Then, tighten the bolts with a torque wrench to 19 Newton meters. Also, check that the 4 bolts on the X-shield are properly tightened. Repeat the same process on the other side of the motorcycle. This is how you mount the BOS Engine Protection Bars Pro. Enjoy the ride!